Hey guys, good morning. Hope you're doing okay. Let me just show you something that you can do. So we all have favorite traders, right? We all have somebody that we follow, have mentors, and those people are usually the people who introduced us into day trading and introduced us into how we should trade, their strategy, basically. Let me show you how you can do this without needing to learn too much because we have ChatGPT, we have AI. You go to ChatGPT, right? There's TradingView indicator, TradingView indicator, and strategy developer. Just, I'm going to talk into the microphone. Just, I just need you to answer with a yes or no question, okay? So I asked it just to answer me with a yes or no question. Let me just pick one. Um, do you know Trader Tom's strategy? Trader Tom is a day trader, right? Do you know day? Let me see what ChatGPT says. Yes, great. Do you know Raja Bank's strategy? Yes. Like every person you know who is on the internet and on social media, they know the person's strategy, right? Okay, great. Can you write a Pine script that I can insert into TradingView so I can use the strategy they're using on TradingView? Can you create a Pine script that I can insert into TradingView so I can use the strategy they're using on TradingView? This is so simple. Strategy is the most important thing to people, but there is no need for it because we have these things right now. Every time you have a question, sorry about that. Every time you have a question, where do you go? Where do we go usually? We talk to ChatGPT, we ask Gemini, we ask these AI tools that can give us the answer, and this is how you can do it. This is the Pine script that they wrote for Trader Tom and Raja Bank strategy. See, you can just no, okay, just focus on Trader Tom for now. I want it to be on the 15-minute time frame. I want you to use the school run strategy that he uses and make it simple. And this is what I wrote. I just want to show you here. I'm sharing this with you just to give you some perspective of how the trading industry have changed and have developed and have is working right now. And when you take this Pine script that's been written, you don't need to know the code. You will definitely get an error on a TradingView, but that's what you do. You go back and forth with ChatGPT until you figure it out, until you tweak it, and until you adjust it to be able to have a strategy on your own for your own TradingView, using the person that you followed for so many years. So you just copy it, you go to TradingView, you press on indicator, you press on my scripts right here, you create a script, right? Just gonna move myself to the corner down here. You create a script, and this is what opens up. It is usually empty. So you insert the script right here, and you add it to chart. Trader Tom school. See, it worked directly. You can do this. Like I'm just sharing this with you because people need this. This is what I needed. And you can see right here on the left side. Let me just show you. You can see right here on the left side the total P&L. The strategy is not tweaked yet. All right, this is just the beta version of the strategy, but you can tweak it, you can adjust it, you can change the time frame, you can see that it's changing the value and the P&L, and you can also see the trades, the profit factor. So we basically need a profit factor that's that's more than 50%, right? If you take one trade, you want to double it. You want to have a profit factor close to 2. That's how you do it. You can use on higher time frames, you can change the time frames, you can use it on the lower time frames. Basically what you need accustomed to you. You can go back to ChatGPT, say, I want this strategy to be profitable on the 15-minute, and it can change it for you, and you can paste it and insert it. And that is how you can You can play around with it, basically. And when you're done that, you can press on these three buttons right here and add an alert to it. So every time it tells you to, see here, it tells you to buy and tells you to short, go long. You go long on this area right here, and maybe you tell it to just take a 1 to 2, right? You don't need more. Take a 1 to 2 and put your stop loss on this area. You tell it how many points you needed to put. You can change and adjust it, basically what I'm saying. I don't need to go into the detail of this. All right, guys, I just want to share this with you and hope you give it a try. Have a good day.